Here are the 11 best all-inclusive resorts in Punta Cana for families that you can book right now using my discount links below, saving you up to 55% for a limited time only. My final pick is the best overall, the second to last is the most affordable, and the rest have been picked for specific travel needs, such as the best for traveling with teens. And while these deals are time-sensitive, the links will update to give you the maximum possible discount currently available, regardless of the season. I've also linked to my more detailed reviews for some resorts below, along with my main Punta Cana list if you want to continue your research. Already featured on our main list of the best places to stay in Punta Cana, Royalton Splash Resort and Casino once again steals the spot as the best water park all-inclusive, but this time for families, because the entire experience is built around easy, high-energy fun. Once you're checked in, almost everything you need is included, and you also get access to select facilities at the neighboring Royalton Punta Cana, which means extra restaurants, bars, and a beachfront area without upgrading your stay. The water park covers all age groups, with tall speed slides for teens, twisting tubes for bigger kids and adults, and a huge splash playground for younger ones. When you're not at the slides, the resort's main pools, arcade games, sports areas, and daily activities fill the day naturally. Arena Gorda Beach is about a 7-minute walk or an easy shuttle ride, so you still get beach time without paying beachfront rates. And because the resort sits in Bávaro's main corridor, you're close to golf courses, shops, and quick airport transfers. Food follows a family-friendly formula: a buffet, grab-and-go snacks, and a la carte options like Italian, Mexican, and international menus. The a la cartes get better feedback than the buffet, so booking them early makes a noticeable difference. Drinks are included, and room service during set hours helps when kids need downtime. Entertainment keeps the resort lively, but not overwhelming. Daytime pool games, simple crafts, casual sports meetups for teens, and nightly shows that keep families busy without turning the place into a party hotel. The Kids Club adds structure when parents want a break, and fitness classes give adults something of their own. There are a few realistic expectations to keep in mind. The resort isn't new, and some rooms show light wear or humidity depending on the season. Buildings don't have elevators, so request ground floor access if that matters. But where Royalton Splash really stands out is its value. You can book the luxury room for just $246 per night using my 20% limited time discount link in the top comment or description. It sleeps up to 4, so that works out at just over $60 per night per person when fully occupied. I'll also leave a link to my detailed Royalton Splash review below if you want to continue your research. But if you're traveling exclusively with younger children, then I highly recommend Bahia Principe Fantasia Punta Cana, because as you can see, the entire place feels like a storybook world, with castle-style buildings, character-themed areas, splash zones, and gentle pools that younger children can actually use without getting overwhelmed. And the kids' pool, small slides, splash pad, and shaded loungers make the main pool area easy for parents to navigate while kids stay entertained. Families consistently praise how friendly the staff are with young children, and how clean and well-organized the resort feels. You also get access to a kids club, a playground, an arcade, and free water park entry. And while the water park is smaller than the big parks in the area, it's exactly the right scale for toddlers and young kids who aren't ready for high-speed slides. Food works well for families too. The buffet always has recognizable options, and the a la carte restaurants, especially the updated Nomad venue, get strong feedback for fresh meals and made-to-order dishes. The key is to book your a la cartes early, as reservations fill quickly during busy weeks. For families with young kids, the Junior Suite Deluxe Castle View is the smartest pick. It sleeps up to 5, gives you extra space for strollers and luggage, and the castle-facing balcony is a hit with children. And for a limited time, you can save a massive 45% when booking through my link below, bringing it to roughly $67 per person per night at full occupancy. Incredible value for a beachfront family resort. However, if you're traveling with older children or teenagers, Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Punta Cana is one of the easiest resorts to recommend because it gives teens freedom, variety, and non-stop activities in a safe, self-contained setting. This is a huge entertainment complex on a private beach with 13 pools, a lazy river, a water park, and enough spaces for teens to roam without getting bored. The layout works especially well for older kids. They can bounce between the arcade, sports courts, live music areas, and the beach. It feels busy, but in a way that suits families who like a bit of energy. Food is another strong point. With 10 restaurants, teens can grab what they want without negotiation, and the late breakfast hours help when no one wakes up on time. You also get 24-hour room service and a fully stocked minibar, so snacks are never a problem. Evenings stay lively with live bands, themed shows, and event-style entertainment that feels more exciting than the typical family resort schedule. A couple of notes for realistic expectations. The property is enormous, so expect to walk, and it's definitely not a quiet boutique experience. But if your goal is to keep teens engaged from morning to night without relying on screens, Hard Rock is one of the best fits in Punta Cana. And my recommended room is the Caribbean suite with double beds and sofa bed, because it gives families with teens plenty of space, a private outdoor hot tub, and an ideal location near the main pools. And for a limited time, you can save 55% when you book through my discount link below, where you can also check out the Rock Suite, which comes with a personal assistant if you want to maximize your experience at this amazing resort. And for those of you who want to indulge in pure all-inclusive luxury while still keeping the entire trip family-friendly, Finest Punta Cana is easily the best choice. This resort blends high-end design, calm energy, and genuinely impressive service in a way few family properties manage. Everything feels polished, from the spotless grounds and modern rooms to the beautifully maintained pools and the quiet, private stretch of Uvero Alto Beach. What makes it ideal for luxury-minded families is balance. Kids get plenty to do, with dedicated pools, splash areas, and the nearby Sirenas Aqua Games water park within walking distance. But adults get their own elevated experience through the spa, adults-only spaces, exceptional gym, and cocktail-forward lounges. Guests consistently praise the a la cartes for fresh dishes, clean presentation, and great variety, from upscale Caribbean plates to modern international restaurants. And because the resort never feels crowded, dining and service stay smooth even during busy weeks. The vibe is peaceful rather than loud, and that's intentional. Families who prefer a calmer, more refined atmosphere over constant noise will find this one of the most relaxing, all-inclusive experiences in Uvero Alto. A couple of things to keep in mind. The property sits about 45 minutes from the airport, and with this being a luxury 5-star property, the room rates are slightly higher. However, I've managed to secure you a limited-time 47% discount available through my booking link below, allowing you to experience luxury for less. And when it comes to keeping everyone fed and happy, especially picky eaters, Dreams Macao Beach is one of the safest bets in Punta Cana. This is a true beachfront resort sitting right on Macao Beach. But what really sets it apart is how easy it is to find something everyone will actually eat without arguments 3 times a day. You've got a proper mix of options, a main buffet for quick, familiar plates, plus dedicated a la carte restaurants for French, Mexican, Asian, seafood, and Italian in the evenings. That means one night you can keep it simple with pasta and grilled chicken, and the next night you can lean into seafood or steak without dragging kids or fussy eaters too far out of their comfort zone. Portions are generous, there are always plain options on hand, and reviewers consistently call out the variety rather than feeling stuck with the same rotation all week. For families, the daytime setup is just as important. You've got multiple poolside bars, a beach bar, a snack-style deli, and a coffee shop, so grabbing fries, fruit, or something small between meals is easy. That really helps with kids who graze or partners who get hangry if they wait for set meal times. Outside of food, you still get the full resort experience. 4 outdoor pools, a children's pool with water slides and free water park access, a great beachfront with loungers and umbrellas, and a strong kids club and activity program. The overall feel is more relaxed than party-heavy, which suits families who want good food, a nice beach, and a mix of activities without chaos. The main thing to keep in mind is that some guests mention the buffet can feel repetitive if you rely on it every night, and there's a dress code in certain restaurants. If you rotate the a la cartes and pack 1 or 2 smarter outfits, Dreams Macao Beach delivers one of the most reliable food experiences for families and picky eaters in Punta Cana. If your idea of the perfect Punta Cana trip is stepping straight from your room to white sand and turquoise water, Grand Palladium Punta Cana Resort and Spa is the beachfront escape you want to shortlist. This is a true private beach setup in Bávaro, with soft sand, plenty of palm shade, and enough space that you can actually spread out instead of fighting over loungers. Guests repeatedly describe the beach here as clean, beautiful, and ideal for long walks, and doing absolutely nothing. You've got 2 beach bars, full waiter service, and included non-motorized water sports like kayaking, sailing, windsurfing, and beach volleyball, so you can mix lazy days with just enough activity without ever leaving the shoreline. If you do want a change of scenery, you're only a short stroll from Cortocito Beach and close to Los Corrales, so you get that wider Bávaro beach feeling without giving up the all-inclusive bubble. Back inside the resort, there are 5 outdoor pools, a quieter children's pool, and multiple swim-up bars if you prefer poolside time but still want the ocean in view. Evenings lean into classic Caribbean resort energy, themed restaurants, live entertainment, and a beachfront atmosphere that feels social but not wild. A few things to know in advance. This is a large, established property rather than a brand new minimalist resort, and there are no elevators, so ground floor requests are smart if stairs are an issue. The on-site Zentropia Spa is excellent but not included in the standard package and carries a separate daily fee. If your priority is waking up, grabbing a coffee, and being on a beautiful private beach within minutes, Grand Palladium Punta Cana delivers exactly that, and you can save an incredible 50% via my limited time discount link below. Families who want space, privacy, and a layout that actually works for parents and kids will feel instantly at home at Princess Family Club Bávaro. This isn't just a standard resort with a few larger rooms. The entire family section is purpose-built, with dedicated pools, a small water park, and quick access to the beach, so you're never trekking long distances with little ones. I specifically recommend the Family Club Junior Suite because it sleeps up to 5 comfortably, thanks to a king bed for parents and 3 individual trundle beds for kids, so no awkward sharing, no sofa beds, and no fighting over who sleeps where. The layout gives everyone real space to unpack and move around, which is rare at this price point in Punta Cana. Being close to the action also means easier nap times, smoother mornings, and less back and forth during the day. When you're not in the room, the resort delivers a family-friendly rhythm. 2 clean pools, a fun splash area, a supervised kids club, and beach access that's calm and easy to manage. Food leans practical over gourmet, but with 10 restaurants, buffets that run on convenient schedules, and plenty of kid-friendly options, you won't be stuck searching for something they'll actually eat. And for making memories that genuinely last, my top pick has to be Nickelodeon Hotels and Resorts Punta Cana, because no other resort in the region delivers this level of playful, non-stop entertainment for families. This is where the lazy river, 9 pools, water slides, character meet and greets, and free daily access to Aquanic come together in one place. And it's all included. What makes it stand out is how seamlessly the resort mixes high-energy fun with premium, all-inclusive comforts. The beach is steps away, the activities rotation is constant, and the kids club keeps little ones busy with supervised games, crafts, and themed moments they'll talk about for weeks. Parents get real downtime too, with a spa that consistently gets praised for incredible massages and relaxation spaces. Food options work well for families thanks to 9 restaurants, character breakfasts, and casual spots around the pool, plus 24-hour room service. And if you want moments they'll never forget, things like the slime experience and evening entertainment do exactly that without feeling chaotic or overwhelming. For the best balance of space, comfort, and value, I recommend the Nest Suite. It sleeps up to 4, includes premium bedding, a stocked minibar, daily turn-down service, and free daily access to the water park for everyone in the room. And right now, with my limited time discount link below, you can save 32%, which works out at just over $100 per night when shared by 4. Multi-generational families fit perfectly at Lopesan Costa Bávaro because the resort is big enough that everyone can do their own thing, but compact enough that you still feel connected. You're right on Bávaro Beach with calm, swimmable water and long stretches of soft sand, plus plenty of shaded loungers so grandparents are comfortable while the kids play at the shoreline. The pool scene is a huge highlight here. 5 outdoor pools, including a massive main pool that guests say never feels crowded, so cousins, parents, and grandparents can all spread out without losing each other. Dining is also easy with multiple buffets, bars, and specialty restaurants, so picky eaters and foodies are both covered without leaving the resort. Younger kids get clubs and daily activities, adults can slip off to the spa, golf nearby, or the on-site casino, and evenings feel lively without turning into a party resort. If you're looking for the outright cheapest all-inclusive family stay in Punta Cana, the luxury room, Garden View at Serenade is unbeatable right now. With my limited time 20% discount link below, the rate drops to $138 per night total, making this the lowest entry price of any resort on this list. What makes that especially impressive is that Serenade sits on its own private beach, a rarity at this price point. The shoreline is calm, clean, and easy to access, so you're not sacrificing the beach experience just to save money. And because the resort is smaller and newer than many budget-friendly options, getting around is simple. Pools, the kids' splash areas, dining, and entertainment are all within quick walking distance. Despite the low rate, the inclusions stay surprisingly strong. 3 outdoor pools, a small water park, nightly entertainment, fitness and yoga classes, and a mix of buffet and a la carte restaurants. Rooms feel modern and well-kept, and guests consistently highlight the friendly staff and the great location near Bávaro Lagoon and Cabeza de Toro Beach. Transfers are straightforward, and excursions tend to be cheaper from this side of Punta Cana. So if you want a clean, modern, hassle-free base where your nightly price stretches much further than expected, Serenade Punta Cana gives you the most affordable, all-inclusive family stay in the region, without dropping into bare minimum territory. Barceló Bávaro Palace takes the #1 spot because it delivers the strongest all-round family experience in Punta Cana. You get a private, unbelievably calm beachfront protected by an offshore reef, 4 outdoor pools, a kids' splash zone, daily entertainment, and one of the widest restaurant selections in the Dominican Republic with 11 dining venues. Families consistently say the resort is easy, safe, and packed with things to do without feeling overwhelming. Around the property, there are huge activity options: tennis courts, a bowling alley, mini golf, a nightclub, kayaking, windsurfing, and a full golf course next door. Just keep in mind that a few of the premium attractions do come with extra fees, like the Pirates Island Waterpark, evening mini golf or bowling, golf cart rentals, and U-Spa access. The good news is that the core family amenities, daily entertainment, pools, and the free Barcy Water Park for younger kids are still included. Dining is where Barceló really stands out, with buffets plus a la cartes offering Japanese teppanyaki, Italian, Spanish, steakhouse, and more. Most families say they never run out of variety, even on a full week's stay. Service scores well, and the food selection gets high marks across most reviews. Rooms are modern and comfortable, with strong cleanliness ratings and great layouts for families. The junior suite is an excellent pick, sleeping up to 4, and it comes with its own private hot tub. And it's available for a very reasonable price via my 45% limited time discount link below. Or check out my Barceló Bávaro Palace review appearing on the screen now for an even more detailed breakdown.